Okay, so this assignment is a 3-day assignment. Um, this new unit has a lot of vocab in it. So for this assignment, you will be defining and using all of the vocab words that we will continuously use throughout the unit. So for each vocab word, you'll create a Frere square or a vocab square using all of the sides that I provided. For each word, you will use the links that I provide, and I will show you that in a moment. To write your own definition, use the word in a sentence, provide an example, and then insert a picture from the internet. You can see here to the right, this is all the vocab words that you will be creating a vocab square for. So just to kind of let you hear how they sound: food chain, food web, producer, consumer, decomposer, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, apex predator, primary producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. Some of these words might even be familiar to you already, so that's great. I'm going to walk you through the first one and show you how to use the resources that I've provided to complete a vocab square. So this first vocab square you'll see is for the word food chain. You'll see the four boxes, one for your own definition, one for you to use it in a sentence, one for your example, and then one for your picture. At the bottom, in kind of the notes section of each slide, I've provided you an internet resource for you to use to help you complete the vocab square. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and this should open me up to an internet resource for food chains. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through this resource to kind of help me fill in my vocab square. So food chain, and right here off the bat I can see kind of a definition. So a food chain describes how different organisms eat each other, starting out with a plant and ending with an animal. So I could totally use that as my definition. Maybe switch it up just a little bit to put it in your own words, but that would be a perfect definition for you to put into your vocab square. I have to use this word in a sentence. That I could come up with my own. Here they already give you an example, so you could even just use this as your example. Starting with grass, which arrow to the zebra, arrow to the lion, which means the zebra is eating the grass and the lion is eating the zebra. Okay, here's another example in a picture form of a food chain. Okay, and I'm going to go back here. So that would cover, you would have your own definition, you would use it in a sentence, and then already an example. The last thing we need is a picture. And all you're going to do for this one is delete this icon, which says insert image here, and then you're going to just Google. So maybe you just put in food chain and go to images. Okay, I'm already seeing a ton of examples. Okay, so you would just need to choose one. I'm maybe going to choose this one. I'm going to double click copy, go back to my assignment, and paste it in there so that it fits in that box, and it automatically put it into the size. If not, you would need to change the size. After you've completed this one, then you would go to your next one. And again, you'll notice at the bottom here are links, and you will see there are links. Some of them have multiple links that you can choose from for each of the words below. If you feel like that's not a great resource for you and you want to use your own, feel free. Otherwise, just create your vocab square for each of the words and then submit it when you're finished. Again, remember this is a 3-day assignment. Try and do a little bit each day so you're not just doing it all at once on Wednesday when it is due, or Friday when it is due.